What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank debit card replacement. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung debit card replacement fee or yung bayad kapag nagpa-replace kayo ng Metrobank debit card. Magkano nga ba yung kailangan yung bayaran? At saka kung ito ba ay pwede nyo gawin any branch or di kaya via online lamang. At saka of course yung steps or hakbang kung paano magpapalit or mag-request ng Metrobank debit card replacement. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, to answer that question, magkano nga ba yung Metrobank debit card replacement fee? So as you can see guys, 400 pesos siya. Metrobank's debit card replacement fee is generally 400 pesos, as indicated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP. Data and Metrobank's own comparison pages, though it's always best to confirm with the bank directly for specific card types or updated charges. So, ito guys, yung general charges, which is 400 pesos. So ngayon, not all the time, the same lang siya. Nag-iiba yung panahon, alam mo yun, maaring tumaas, maaring bumaba. Pero by now is 400 pesos yung Metrobank debit card replacement fee. So ngayon, let's talk about Metrobank debit card replacement. To replace a Metrobank debit card in the Philippines, you must either visit a branch or call the bank contact center. Unlike credit cards, debit card replacement cannot typically be initiated through mobile app. So ngayon alam niyo na guys, hindi tulad sa Metrobank credit card, pwede siya via online. Yung Metrobank debit card replacement shall be done or maaari lamang mangyari sa branch. Hindi siya pwede via online. Or pwede rin kayong tumawag sa Metrobank Contact Center. So ngayon, let's talk about steps for debit card replacement ni Metrobank. Or paano nga ba yung akbang para mapalitan yung Metrobank debit cards ninyo. Una is immediately report the card. If your card is lost or stolen, so halimbawa nawala ninyo or ninakaw, report it immediately to the bank to prevent fraudulent charges. Fraudulent charges. It is a crucial step guys or pinakamahalagang dapat nyong gawin kapag nawala or ninakaw yung Metrobank debit card ninyo kasi maaari siyang gamitin sa online transactions. Kasi yung Metrobank card number, expiry date, confidential yan. So kaya kung nawala ninyo or ninakaw, maaari nilang gamitin yun sa online transactions. Kaya naman, it should be reported sa bank mismo para ipablock mo yung debit card na nawala or ninakaw sa'yo. Then, pangalawa is, so, ito guys, yung Metrobank hotline number nila. Call the Metrobank Contact Center at 02-88-700-700 or the domestic toll-free number at 1-800-188-5775 using a PLDT line. So, free of charge ito guys. A bank representative will help you deactivate the old card. So, yung representative guys, of course, it will conduct further verification. Of course, kailangan mong sagutin yung verification questions like birth date, something ganyan. So, before kayo tumawag doon, dapat alam niyo yung mobile number kasi kakailanganin yan for verification para patunay na ikaw yung tumawag sa kanila. Then, over the phone, when you contact or call the contact center, a representative can guide you through the process of ordering a new card. So, sila yung mag-i-inform sa'yo kung ano yung proseso, i-guide ka nila para makapag-order ka ng panibagong Metrobank debit card. Then, information needed. You will need to answer security questions to verify your identity. Tulad ng sabi ko, kailangan alam niyo yung birthday ninyo, yung mobile number. Yun yung madalas tinatanong ni Metrobank Customer Service kapag tumawag kayo sa kanila to verify your identity. Bring one valid government-issued ID, photo ID with your signature if you visit a branch. So ngayon, kung by branch naman kayo, hindi kayo tumawag sa Metrobank Contact Center, pumunta kayo sa branch. Of course, to verify your identity, kailangan yung valid ID. Primary IDs yun like driver's license, Philippine National ID, postal, yung mga primary IDs yan. Tapos PhilHealth TIN, yun, kailangan din yun for supporting verification method or proof of identity para ma-verify talaga siya. Then, fees and delivery. There is a replacement fee tulad na nabanggit ko kanina. Though the exact amount for debit cards is not specified in the search results, for credit cards, it can be 400 pesos. You can confirm the exact fee when you contact the bank. So, kanina yung nabanggit na 400 pesos is yung kadalasan talaga. So, na-verify naman 400 pesos. So, maybe buy now, bumaba or tumaas kasi paiba-iba yan. So, it's a good idea na i-confirm ninyo sa Metrobank branch mismo kung magkano yung Metrobank debit card replacement fee. The replacement card will be issued to you either directly at the branch or sent to your registered address. Delivery can take several business days if not issued instantly. Kasi guys, ito, kapag personalized debit card ni Metrobank, syempre may process yun. I-ano yung pangalan nyo, ilalagay. So, hindi mo siya makakuha instant. So, you have to wait certain period of time. Pwede siyang ipa-deliver na lang sa address nyo. Ganun yung sabi dito. Your new card will come with a unique ATM PIN and EMV chip for security. So, ngayon guys, panibagong debit card ni Metrobank. So, kailangan itong i-activate guys. Since ito ay debit card, kailangan nyo ng Metrobank ATM or Automated Teller Machine para ma-activate nyo yung debit card na yun na bago ninyo from Metrobank. So, ngayon, halimbawa, pinadeliver ninyo. So, kailangan nyo pa rin mag-visit ng branch ni Metrobank or any ATM ni Metrobank guys, actually, kahit hindi na sa mismong branch. Kung may Metrobank ATM lang, ano yung ATM? Yung kung saan kayo nag-withdraw ng pera, tapos i-activate nyo doon, ganun siya. Kasi tulad sa ibang bangko, ganun din yung mangyayari kapag debit card, kailangan muna siyang i-activate. Tapos may kasama yung PIN, which is, kailangan nyo siyang palitan para ma-activate yung card na yon. Ganun yun guys. Kasi yung PIN na yun is, syempre, ano siya, parang common. So, kailangan yung palitan para sa personal PIN na siya. Kasi when we say PIN, personal identification number yon. So, dapat ikaw lang ang nakakaalam nun. At syempre guys, kapag nandiyan na yung Metrobank debit card ninyo, ingatan nyo na. Huwag nyo lang iwala kasi delikado siya. Maaari magkaroon kayo ng unauthorized transaction sa Metrobank account ninyo. So, pinaghirapan nyo yung pera na yon. At syempre, kapag nagkaroon, ginamit ng ibang tao, hindi pwede yon. Kaya, para maiwasan yon, kasi if ever man unauthorized siya, kailangan nyo pa makipagdebatihan sa bangko para maibalik yung pera na yon. Ngayon, pag napatunayan ni Metrobank na valid yung transaction na yon, ginamitan ng PIN, since pinagkalat mo yung PIN ng Metrobank debit card ninyo, valid yon at hinding-hindi nyo na siya makukuha. Unless, hindi ginamitan ng PIN, maaari pang makuha yon. Pero yun nga, kung halimbawa, pinagsabi-sabi mo yung PIN, tapos nakuha yung Metrobank debit card na yun at nag-withdraw siya sa Metrobank machine, valid transaction yun. Hindi na ibabalik ni Metrobank yung pera na nakuha. So, di ba, ang hirap. Kaya naman, since ito ay nandito na rin kayo nanonood, sinasabi ko yun to raise awareness para rin maging aware kayo sa Metrobank debit cards ninyo or credit cards man yan na dapat pagkaingatan ninyo talaga kasi nakalink yan sa account ninyo or sa savings account ninyo. So, yun lamang guys. So, sana may na-gets kayo or naintindihan nyo yung sinabi ko regarding security features ni Metrobank debit card. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!